Ayiduma sesiyabonga weduma phuma lapho phuma usungasina nkunzi sekuyabheda phuma wakuthi umuntu omdala imayikho wokuqala Sesifile madoda emsunduzi sesikhona sasho sathi uyeza umkhonto sekunjalo ke madoda sekunjalo usufikile umkhonto abahlehla abantu
It changes its colors, it becomes black and white, it becomes Zulu and Xhosa, it is the same system. It becomes Pedi and Shangaan, it becomes anything and everything you can think about. It is the same system that must be ended, that must be destroyed by all means necessary. However, the ANC must be fair and honest. Ukuthi masikhuluma nge-unity, what kind of unity are we talking about? For the poor and rich shall never be united. It must be honest to us, njengoBlessing besifundisa ipolitiki ukuthi manithi asiyisaveni ANC, siyisava i-ANC to whose interest? Mase siyisindisile i-ANC, bazophinde bafike nezikhwama zemali basiqalise phansi yini? We are not confused as former members of Umkhonto weSizwe. We are very much clear. We are not regretting our membership. We are not regretting ukushayisana ku-Road 13 isiklinile okuyish. We do not regret ukusukela Montville ngamabhasi size Howard College. Neither are we confused about the death of Babu Hadebe ehamba nathi, nor are we confused about the crises of Sobantu. We do not regret that even if we feel we are not expelled in the ANC, we are part of this organization, we are proud. It is just the system. Define the system, understand the system. The system of Catholic Councillor, the system of Catholic President, the system of Catholic Mayor. It's the system. It is the system that says it is wrong, yet it is constitutional. It's the system. It is the same system that beheaded Harry Smith and Mumu Pambata. It is the same system. Ngakho ke asikwazi ukurecyclisha sivusilembe sithalizolwa lizothi njani. Asikwazi ukuvusa uKhrisani sithi ozoqhubeka la wagcina khona sikhona. Maybe it's because we treat homosexuality as a human right and we criticize polygamy as papa.
We need Zuma back. Cyril Ramaphosa, the entire ANC cabinet, Julius Malema made sure to push out Jacob Zuma. Remember when Julius Malema said Zuma must go, Zuma must go? Remember what the DA did there in the Western Cape? They blocked the N1. They said Zuma must go, but they never did anything about Cyril Ramaphosa because he is the biggest ANC comrade, my friend. The biggest ANC comrade. They are all colliding with each other, the EFF, the DA, the ANC. Why do you think they want to put Zuma in jail? Why? Because they want to steal more money. We need to end the DA, we need to end the ANC and the EFF. We said we had enough, we want Zuma back. It's time for Cyril Ramaphosa to go, and it's time for Jacob Zuma to come back.